In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificate in Quebec, Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one, declare the birth. So under the Quebec law, parents must declare the child's birth to the director within 30 days of the birth. This declaration is essential for registering the birth in the Quebec Register of Civil Status and for obtaining official documents like a birth certificate. Now, so these are the required documents you will need. So attestation of birth, DEC2. This is completed by attending physician or midwife at the time of birth. And declaration of birth, DEC1. This is completed and signed by both parents. And then from here, you can submit the declaration of birth either by online using the electronic declaration of birth service, which is that site there, or by mail sending the completed paper form to the Directeur de Civil. And now it is important to note to submit the declaration only once, either electronically or by mail, to avoid processing delays. Now, step 2 is applying for a birth certificate. So once the birth is registered, you can apply for your child's birth certificate or a copy of the act of birth. This can be done online through the Directeur Civil's website. You will need the Rapid Secure Access Number, RSAN, provided in the confirmation notice of registration to apply online. And now some additional services. So when completing the declaration of birth, you can also fill out the application for simplified access to birth-related government programs and services, DEC3. This allows the director to share your child's information with relevant government departments, facilitating access to Canada Child Benefits, Social Insurance Number, and Quebec Health Insurance. This integrated service simplifies the process of accessing benefits for your child.